What's up mga brad? Mag-review na tayo sa motor kong Yamaha Mio Soul i 125 2021 year model. Still the same sa old model, compare lang sa decals niya. Yung decals lang yung nagbago. Decals, walang bagong design, the same pa rin lahat. So let's start sa review. Sa front, still aggressive look, LED headlight, signal light and parking light still bulb type. Pero ito, I changed this one to T15 na amber color sa both parking and signal light. Sa back portion, still yung brake and signal light is bulb pa rin, bulb type, walang changes. So sa gauges na naman tayo. Yung gauge nya still analog, walang digital. Year 2021 na sana, but analog pa rin. NANI? Omae wa mou shindeiru. Merong speedometer, odometer, gasoline gauge, fuel gauge, signal light indicator, high beam indicator, engine check indicator, echo. Ito fuel save to para maka-less ka sa consumption if ever mag-blink to. And then let's go sa compartment. Still yung keys nya the same pa rin. You're gonna turn left para open sa compartment. Compartment nya is 14 liters. 14 liters. I'm not sure if kakasya yung full face or half face na helmet, pero sure ko kakasya yung nutshell, pero bawal yung nutshell, pang bisikleta lang yun. And then dito rin meron ding yung gas tank nya. Yung gas tank nya bibirit ng 4.2 liters. Medyo malaki na siya. And then that's it sa compartment, walang iba. Let's go for the tires and rims. Sa front, meron siyang 80 by 80 na tire, tapos rim size is 14 inches. Tapos yung telescopic suspension siya, tapos disc brake, non-ABS. Sa back, let's go for the back. Ito naman 10/100/70, rim size 14 inches, drum brake, and yung suspension is monoshock. 300mm yung size ng monoshock. Let's go for the engine. Yung engine niya pala is 9.3 horsepower, maximum horsepower niya. Engine type is single cylinder 4-stroke and 2 valves. And then yung max power is 8,000 rpm. And then yung max torque is 5,500 rpm. Tapos sa size naman tayo, size, length and width. Yung ground clearance is 135 mm or 0.44 feet. And then yung height, yung seat height is 775 mm or 2.5 feet. Yung sa width is 685 or 2.2 feet. Yung length is 1,870 mm. So medyo konti lang yung features, konti lang yung specs. And then ito, that's it. Maliit lang na review, konting review lang. Then meron pala akong add-on. Domino switch na pala to. So meron na siyang hazard. So turn left or right, mag-hazard na siya. Hazard. See, hazard. Yung parking light is amber na rin. And then para mag-stop yung hazard, press. Tapos nag-add ako ng domino switch. Domino switch pala to. From SNE. Recommended ko sila sa pag-install and pag-suggest ng mga items and products. Meron siyang off, low beam, high beam. Yung horn, meron din akong horn. Dual horn. I-off ko. I'm not sure if makita yan to. I-off ko to para sa stock. I-on ko to para sa pop-up. Pop-up yung Bosch horn na install rin ni SNE. Big approve ako kay SNE. Sobrang lakas ng bosena nila. And then yung battery is located here, hindi sa stepboard, nakalocate siya dito. So all electronics is here aside sa makina. So kahit anong baha pwede siya, but hindi sure lang yung makina hindi mapasukan ng tubig or ng muffler. And then dito sa kabilang switch, meron siyang idle switch but not working still. And meron siyang on off, pero para to sa auxiliary light ko soon. And then yung grab bar or handlebar para sa mga OBRS metal. Disadvantage lang, matanggal yung pintura gaya nito. One scratch, tanggal talaga. Plano ko i-wrap ko to, sticker wrap. And then yung gusto ko lang din dito is meron siyang kickstart. In case hindi gagana yung battery or lowbat yung battery mo, at least meron kang kickstart in case of battery problem. Other option of turning on your motorcycle is here. Yung electronic or automatic switch para i-on mo yung motor. And that's it. That's only my motorcycle, the Yamaha Mio Soul I 125 2021 year model. So soon mag-cover naman ako about top box. Mag-install ako, mag-purchase ako ng top box para additional mga cargo space aside sa utility box or U-box. And then dito pala yung air filter. Tapos ito, meron siyang kill switch. in case of na-on or ano, at least i-kick mo lang to, papatay yung motor agad. And then dito sa pockets, meron siyang dalawang pockets. Left is more deeper, kasya yung buong kamay mo, kasya yung isang tumbler, yung phone kasya. Tapos dito sa right, mga coins lang. Not advisable yung mga wallets or cellphone kasi biglang mahuhulog. Goodbye. Compared naman sa standard and yung S. Yung S is meron lang siyang ideal stop and remote key para if ever na-lock to, i-remote mo lang para ma-open to ulit. Hindi siya yung remote key na wireless key. Yung remote key lang niya is to on o to open yung ignition switch para makapasok yung susi ulit. And then that's it. Walang no additional features. Sana merong bago sa Mio Soul ay, especially yung cage niya na digital na sana. Digital na sana yung cage niya. And then sana pwede palang ABS yung MSI, okay na rin. But so far okay siya, pogi. Kung naka-budget lang kayo, you can buy this up 79,990 SRP price, but nabili ko to ng 76,000 lang discounted price since cash sa Yamaha disc at cross sa Robinson's Galleria. Tapos yung rehistro, nag-wait ako ng 1 month as per the dealer. Wait daw ng 1 month. So 1 month talaga. Na-release agad 1 month. So that's it. See you in the next review sa additional accessories ng motor ko. Yung top box, baka siguro change ko na rin yung rims, but I'm not sure kasi yung need muna bago want. Pero sulit to. If ever din di kayo gusto, di kaya sa budget makabili ng Aerox, pwede naman yung Mio Soul eh. But if you have any budget, you can go buy the Mio Soul, the Aerox, yung bagong Aerox version 2. Ito is hindi to version 2, year model lang yung nagbago at saka decals. Alright, comment down below if you have any question or if you have any suggestion or meron kayong comment sa review. This is based on my research lang and based on my experience. And then nga pala, okay lang pala yung motor sa mga banking, but advice ko lang wag masyadong nagsaslant kasi for sure aksidente yung masalubong ninyo. Sulit yung tires, malaki. Yung tires niya malaki, malaki. Stock pa lahat, stock pipe, stock tires, stock rims, stock na shock. Yung bulb sa likod hindi ko pa na replace ng LED. Yung sa front lang yung nagbago, yung switch, yung busina, yung bulb. So that's it. See you in my next vlog. Bye!